Hello, boys and girls. We are going to start our simple solutions, our call to the post for day 11 of your NTI work. So this is just your bell ringer. You should have already attempted to do this on your own. And we are on lesson 49, and we're going to do problems 6 through 10. So you have these papers at home, and you should have attempted to work on these on your own. Problem 6 says, you know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 4 times 3, which equals 12. This shows 4 groups of 3 equals 12. The expression x plus x plus x plus x means 4x. Write the equivalent expression for m plus m plus m. So if x plus x plus x plus x is 4x, m plus m plus m would be 3m. All right, and question 7. A trapezoid is made up of a square with side lengths of 8 feet. So we'll say a square, and its sides are all congruent, so 8 feet around. And an isosceles right triangle whose base and height are both 8. So the base is 8, and the height is also 8. So this is 8, and this is 8. Find the area of the trapezoid. So we're going to kind of decompose this trapezoid and find the area of the square first, which that is base times height. So the area would be 8 times 8, which is 64, and this is feet squared. And then the triangle area equals base times height divided by 2, or you can do 1/2 of the base times the height. Area equals 8 times 8 divided by 2, so the area equals 64 divided by 2. And that area would be 1/2 of 64 is 32 feet squared. So now we have to add 32 feet and 64 feet together to get the total area of the trapezoid, and that would equal 96 feet squared for the area of the trapezoid. So this is the area of the square, and this is the area of the triangle. Okay, question 8. Every 5 days, 2 trees are planted. How many days will pass before 26 trees are planted? So we're going to set up a proportion here. We have 5 days, and in 5 days, we planted 2 trees. So I want to know if I need to plant 26 trees, how many days would pass? So I'm going to ask myself, what did I do to 2 to get to 26? Well, I multiplied by 13. So I'm going to multiply by 13 at the top. And that would give me 5 times 13 would give me 65. So 65 days. And then question 9, find the least common multiple of 4 and 12. So I have 4, least common multiple, remember we're skip counting like we did at calendar when you were in kindergarten and first grade. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and then if we skip count by 12s, we really only need to do our first multiple, because right there we see our least common multiple, which would equal 12. And then number 10, we had to use our table A. And table A should look like this, and I included that in your packet. And it says how many data points are given, explain how the data points are gathered, and then the units of measure that are used. So let's look at how many data points we have here. We're just going to count the data points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 data points, and it looks like our unit of measurement is degrees in Fahrenheit. These are the high temperatures for the degrees in Fahrenheit. So we have, I just forgot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 data points. So your question says, how many data points are given? 12 data points. And then what unit of measure is used? Degrees Fahrenheit. And I think that's it for your call to the post, your simple solutions, problem 6 through 10 on lesson 49.